Can I have different passwords for YouTube and Gmail? Hi everyone, Leo Notenboom here for askleo.com. The original question was this: can I have a different password for YouTube and Gmail? I want to keep them separate. There is a way to keep them separate, but it'll have a side effect you may or may not care about. While we might think of our Gmail account as an email account, it's really a Google account. A Google account is one account to rule them all when it comes to your Google services. If you're only using Gmail, of course, well, that's your Google account. But regardless of whether you use them or not, every Google account has access to a wide variety of Google services besides email. That includes things like Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Photos, Google Voice, Google Keep, and a plethora of others. Note that YouTube is one of them. In other words, your Gmail account, which is your Google account, is also your YouTube account. They use the same ID, your email address, and the same password because, again, in reality, it's a single Google account. There's really no way to separate the two. But you can have multiple Google accounts. I have at least 3, maybe more. I've lost count. You could have a Google account you use only for Gmail, ignoring YouTube, and another that you use for YouTube, ignoring Gmail. Each account would have its own separate email address and password. They would be completely separate. Since the account you use for YouTube would have its own email address, you can't really ignore its Gmail completely. YouTube notifications would get sent to it, for example, but you can choose not to use that email address for anything else. The Google web interface makes switching between accounts pretty easy. After you've created that second account, click on your icon in the upper left. One of the items listed is Add Another Account. Click on that, and a new browser tab opens on another account. Add kind of implies you're creating a new account, but really you're adding it to your set of accounts open in browser tabs. This technique works in most Google services. If you're using account A to access YouTube, you can add another account to switch to account B, which you would then use for email. It's a handy approach to managing multiple accounts and allows you to keep your Gmail and YouTube accounts separate. The only catch is you'll have 2 of each. For most people, a single account with a single login for both Gmail and YouTube is plenty. But if you've got a reason for them to be separate, you can create 2 separate accounts. For updates, for comments, for links related to this topic and more, visit askleo.com/128674. I'm Leo Notenboom, and this is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.